Okay.
Fish. One more fish.
Okay, get one more. That's right. That's right. Catch one.
Yay!
Did you get a purple one?
Yeah.
Yay! That means you won!
Yep.
You won! Good job!
Yep, my boat is red.
Yeah, do you want to go see Great Grandma?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I'm glad. What are you gonna do at Great Grandma's house?
I don't know.
I don't know. You gonna show her your new toys?
No, this toy.
Oh, the old toys?
No, this toy.
What is that toy?
It's a horsey.
Very cool. Very cool. You ready to go, Paula? Hello. What's in it?
Kids. And a doggy too.
Is it a nice doggy?
Yeah. They don't eat us.
Doggies don't eat us, that's right.
They're nice doggies. Whoa, a cat too.
Is there a cat too?
It's in the fishes.
You gonna chop it? You want this last one? Here you come! Here you come! Hey, cute girls. Look at me and smile. Yeah,
I
okay.
see the water.
Really?
Oh, I see the water.
Put him down here with the other animals, okay?